All right, Trey Bennett, nurse practitioner, founder of IHP KC, here with Cam F. Awesome. This dude's cool. All right, so this guy's living the van life. So I wanted to introduce him to LeafSide. These are super quick, easy, vegan, plant-based meals. All you do is pour them in a bowl.
This part is very important.
It is, yeah.
You might be 3 bites in before you realize something doesn't exactly taste right.
Poor guy. I forgot to tell him how to eat this.
Last year you had something that you ripped the package out. I just remember eating it on stage.
All right, and then so you add hot water, stir it up, and then we're gonna put the lid on and let it sit for about 7 minutes on this one, I believe. Can you wait that long?
Nope.
Is that all right?
We'll call it a solid 4.5 minutes.
All right, let's see how this tastes compared to dried. Check it out here. You gotta pop that little seal there. All right. See how much better it is than
It's a lot better.
dried.
Whatever,
Yeah.
you know, you guys need
Nice.
It's a lot better.
So here's the burning question everyone wants to know. What does the F stand for in your name?
Family, friendship,
Do you have
Philip if you want to spell it wrong.
Okay.
Awesome. All right, man. Enjoy.
Thank you.